Today, I want to talk to you about real estate investing for beginners. So if you're thinking about investing in real estate for the first time, then this video is for you. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I've subscribed, and I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's get started. The term real estate investment is used to describe the practice of buying, managing, renting, and/or selling real estate with the intention of financial gain. It can include residential, commercial, industrial, and land properties. There are several advantages to investing in real estate. The first advantage is the potential for appreciation. Real estate can appreciate in value over time, resulting in a return on investment. Another advantage is cash flow. Rent from tenants can provide a steady stream of income. You can also take advantage of tax benefits. Real estate investors may be able to claim deductions for mortgage interest and depreciation. The next advantage is leverage. Real estate can be purchased using leverage, borrowing money, which can increase the potential return on investment. Another advantage is diversification. Investing in real estate can diversify a portfolio and reduce overall risk. Unlike stocks, real estate is a tangible asset that can be seen and touched, which can provide a sense of security for some investors. Best of all, as an owner, you have control over the property and can make decisions about how it is used and managed. There's no doubt about the advantages of real estate investing. But of course, you still need to do your homework, especially if it's your first time investing in real estate. That's why I'm going to share with you 8 tips for real estate investing for beginners. The first tip is to consider your financial situation. Before investing in real estate, it's important to have a clear understanding of your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, credit score, and debt-to-income ratio. This will help you determine how much you can afford to invest and what type of financing you may be able to qualify for. The second tip is to have a clear understanding of your investment goals, such as cash flow, appreciation, or a combination of both. This will help you determine the type of property and location that are best suited for your needs. The next tip is to do some market research. It's important to research your real estate market to understand trends, prices, and rental rates in the areas where you are considering investing. Research can help you identify potential opportunities and avoid overpaying for a property. Before investing, it's important to thoroughly inspect a property to assess its condition and identify any potential repairs or improvements that may be needed. Another crucial tip I want to share with you is to consider the location of the real estate. The location of a property is one of the most important factors to consider when investing in real estate. Properties in desirable areas are typically more likely to appreciate in value and have a higher demand for rental. Of course, you need to look into some financing options. Investing in real estate can be done through a variety of financing options, such as cash, a mortgage, or a combination of both. It's important to understand the pros and cons of each option and what works best for your financial situation. If you plan on renting out your property, you should consider whether you have the time, energy, and skills to be a landlord, or if you would prefer to hire a property manager. Lastly, you need to consider the legal and tax aspects. Make sure you are aware of the legal and tax implications of owning and renting out a property. It is recommended that you consult with a real estate lawyer or accountant to understand the laws and regulations that apply to your specific situation. In conclusion, investing in real estate for the first time requires careful consideration and research. It is important to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and investment goals, as well as research the real estate market, property condition, location, financing options, property management, and legal and tax aspects. By taking the time to thoroughly evaluate all of these factors, you can make an informed decision and increase your chances of success as a real estate investor. Remember, always consult with a professional, such as a real estate lawyer or accountant, before making any final decisions. One last thing before you leave. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.